Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to choose the right template in Wings. So with hundreds of templates available, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is best for your website. So let's break it down step by step. So before diving into the templates, it's important to understand your website's purpose and your specific needs. So you can ask these questions. First, what type of websites are you creating? So is it a business website, portfolio, a blog, or an online store? Next, what features and functionalities do you need? You want contact forms, galleries, or e-commerce? And then what style and design elements are you looking for? If you want a modern design, minimalist, or a colorful website. And once you've done this, understanding your purpose, then let's explore the Wings template library. So once you log in, you just click on the create new site right here at the top right hand corner and select on this studio template. Once you click on studio template, and then here, as you can see, you can find or based on your selection, it will show you some of the relevant templates. And then from here, you can find the perfect template. You can use the filter and sorting options. You can filter templates by categories such as business, portfolio, and CV, blog, and more. So you can also sort templates by popularity, newest, or alphabetically ordered. Now let's go and select first is the business category, and then let's try to preview a template here. So previewing templates is very crucial to see how they look and function. So for example, you want the kind of website like this, so you can click on view button. And then once you click on that, just take your time to navigate through the template, and you can basically explore its pages, the features, and also the overall layout, and make sure it aligns with your vision and needs. So here, for example, and then you can also consider the customizability and flexibility of the template. So while all Wings templates are customizable, some offer more flexibility than others. So look for the templates that allows you to easily change colors. For example, this one here, you can easily change fonts and layouts to match your brand. So templates with built-in drag and drop features are generally more user-friendly. Now you just need to make sure that the template include the essential features that you want to need. Okay, for example, if you are building an online store, so you should have to check for an e-commerce website. So look for the online store e-commerce website here, and then you can check this website functionality like the product galleries, shopping carts, or the checkout pages. So for example, this one here. So as you can see, this is an example of e-commerce website. So we have the checkout pages and the product views. Now, if you need portfolio page, as you can see, or portfolio website, look for templates with image galleries and product showcases. Now, another way here is by checking the mobile responsiveness. It is very crucial for good user experience. So Wings templates are designed to be mobile friendly, but it's still important to check how your chosen template looks on mobile devices. So click on this mobile icon at the top and basically preview to see the template in mobile view and ensure everything is displayed correctly. So reading reviews and getting feedbacks can provide valuable insights. Look for reviews or testimonials from other users who have used the template. And if possible, ask for feedback from friends or colleagues about the template you are considering. And once you find the perfect template, click on the edit template button right there at the top right hand corner of your screen to start customizing the website. So remember, the template is just a starting point, and you can always make changes and adjustments as you go along to ensure it perfectly fits your need. And that's it. You've learned how to choose the right template in Wings. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more web designs, tips, and tutorials. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video.